The idea for the Yorkshire Bellini came about when I was running a restaurant called Roast in Borough Market in London. Fantastic place. If you are in town, go and visit it. Me and the head chef at the time, Lawrence Keogh, took a road trip up to my native Yorkshire, and we visited an area that's affectionately known as the Wakefield Triangle, where they produce some of the finest rhubarb on the planet. And it was there, tasting it, that I came up with the idea of adding in some vanilla and a touch of cinnamon, and then obviously adding some bubbles to it, and that's how I came up with the drink that I'm about to demonstrate for you now.